Alright, guys. Um, yeah, this is one I saw in theaters, and I now have it. This is Taika Waititi's Next Goal Wins. So let's just take a look at it. So we have Blu-ray plus digital code on there. You have all the characters kind of making this nice little circle. I do think this is visually appealing. I think this would have been... I think this is better than using like that kind of bus poster. Next Goal Wins, a Taika Waititi film. Taika's there, and Michael Fassbender, and everyone else, all the American Soho players. As we go on the side, there's Blu-ray disc. Next Goal Wins, Michael Fassbender, Searchlight Pictures. On the back, you have like a couple shots in the movie. Your little details and stuff. Yeah, let's get this open. Hold on. Oh yeah, and the plastic is melted on this one, but I do intend to get it off. Let me open it up. And it's, yep, standard Disney Blu-ray. Yeah, that's it for Next Goal Wins.